The Perry Horse Farm is now for sale. We're a historical horse farm that's been around for many generations. They used to raise, breed, train silky cart and race horses. It has since turned into a boarding facility that's ready for the next person to come in and take it to the next level. There are 9 pastures, 3 paddocks, 3 barns, along with feed room, wash rack with hot and cold water. The barn has a beautiful lounge in it. We have a beautiful outdoor arena that was just put in. The nice indoor arena for all year round. Any time of the year you can ride. Beautiful 2-story brick home that's right here on the property. You have everything that you need. This is set up as a great investment to be able to come in, turnkey, continue your business, start your business. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. It's time for this farm to welcome its new owner.